Acorn ball. Answer 1. A fun game. Bud and Kip were at the beach. It's a nice day today, Bud said. There are no clouds in the woods. A big ball crashed nearby. Sand flew everywhere. Whoa! Kip said. A woman ran over. She grabbed the ball. Pow! She hit it. The ball flew over a net. A man died. He missed the ball. The woman yelled, "Score!" What game is that? Bud asked. Kip shrugged. I don't know. But it looks fun. They watched the game for a while. I have an idea, Kip said. Bud giggled. Will you invent a game? No, Kip said. We will invent a game. I might have a ball, Kip said. He went in his den. He looked all over. He found lots of things. But he didn't find a ball. Kip sighed. We can't invent again. Bud and Kip Acorn ball. Answer 2. A silly game. These things, Kip said. I want to invent a game. But we don't have a ball. He kicked an acorn. Bud smiled. Let's use an acorn. Kip grinned. Good idea. We'll call our game Acorn Ball. Kip threw the acorn. Score, he said. Bud picked up the acorn. She threw it. Score! When Kip kept throwing the acorn. Score! Kip yelled. Score! Bud yelled. Squirrel walked over. What are you playing? He asked. Acorn ball, Kip said. Bud and I invented it. Squirrel smiled. I want to play. Kip threw the acorn to Squirrel. Score! Kip yelled. Score! Squirrel threw the acorn to Bud. Frog, ducks, and mouse joined the game. Everyone threw the acorn. Everyone yelled, "Score!" Mouse shook her head. This game is silly. It doesn't have any rules. Bud and Kip Acorn Bar. Episode 3. Score. He threw the acorn. Score! You didn't score, Mouse said. You just threw the acorn. That is right, Bird said. We need room for acorn ball. Everyone nodded. Then they made a rule. Throw the acorn, Kip said. Run along here, Squirrel said. Don't step there, Bird said. Hop 3 times, Frog said. Quite like me, Duck said. Everyone laughed. Let's play acorn ball, Kip said. Everyone tried to follow the rules. I scored, Duck said. No, Frog said. You forgot to hop. So what? Duck said. Squirrel didn't run. Mouse shook her head. This is silly. She walked away. Frog, Duck, and Squirrel arched. Bird picked up the acorn. Kip grinned. Let's play, Bird. Bird smiled. She threw the acorn to Kip. Score! Bird and Kip both yelled.